Welcome back. Unboxing the latest colorway of Yeezy 350. The Yeezy Boost 350 Dazzling Blue features an upper composed of two-tone gray engineered permagnet. 25% of the components used to make the upper contain a minimum of 50% recycled content. The midsole utilizes Adidas' innovative Boost TM technology, while a transparent TPU cage wraps the Boost and adds a distinct design element to the iconic model. This pair takes it all back to basics. While we've seen things like color-changing panels in recent releases, with Yeezy Boost v Dazzling Blue, what you see is what you get. Yeezy 350 Dazzling Blue is now available at Sneaker Box Manila.